live. Good morning,
All
good
right, let's
morning.
go.
Let's see.
Yo, good morning. About to be afternoon now.
Yeah, trying since morning to work this out.
Yep, bear with us. Let's see, Doc. Share the link with me, and then let's share it on the channel.
Wait, are we really live? Because it's not. It says YouTube crashed. What do you mean YouTube crashed?
Oh no, it's just our part of the stream crashed.
We are not live yet. Oh, we are live.
We are live.
Yeah, let me share you the link.
Link, yep. Do that.
After.
Oh yeah, we are live. Now we are live. Let's share the link. Yeah. Doc, you do that and post it on every channel, okay? Prime, Titan, Last Ride, Jam, everywhere.
Cool.
Join us for the banter.
I can hear the video playing again from your microphone. Can you mute it?
Yeah, yeah. Just give me a sec. Yeah.
Hello?
Hey.
Are people there?
I don't think so. I think we have one viewer. So let's share the link first and let's see the chat as if they have started rolling. Okay, now we have members joining in.
We have.
Yep. Guys, say hi on the chat so that we know that people are joining in, okay? Because we won't be able to see our YouTube link. We'll be more focusing on our screen and what we have on for you guys for now.
Cool.
And am I audible? Can you guys please check and confirm on the
Yes.
chat?
Let us know how's our audio.
How's the weather, Doc?
Yeah, today it was sunny finally after a really long time. It was raining.
Exactly. I so much cherish the sun now. It has been over here like 2 or 3 weeks. We haven't seen the sun, and right now the sun is going again. Like it's pretty much dark out there. I can say that for sure. And the worst part is that after 4:30 p.m., it gets dark everywhere. So we just have like 3 or 4 hours of sun, and that's all. That's also we are not getting since past 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Hey guys, am I audible? Are you guys able to hear my voice now?
Someone on Titan chat is like, they can't hear me now. Ah, I have no idea what's going on now.
Wow. Doc, let's check the settings. Let's go there. Audio source and output destination.
All right, let me check real quick. I'm really sorry, guys. Please just let them know that we sorry. We're
Yeah.
gonna come back again. Okay.
No, keep the chat live. It's fine, man. I think. Uh,
Yeah, I'm gonna keep the chat live, but like it's gonna share my screen if I do anything. So you know.
oh, okay, okay. Makes sense. Okay, makes sense. Yeah. All right. Your call.
Yeah,
All right.
just
And the live stream, and then yeah, let's discuss. Okay. So I think we have to configure the settings again, right? So
yeah.
let's do.
I guess
Guys,
maybe
if you are able to hear me, then just bear with us. Sorry, I know it's been taking way too much time, but we are just trying this for the first time. Maybe we'll use a different streaming site from the next time onwards. So
yeah.
let's see if we can start to get this rolling. Then we'll go and have a really great banter. That's all I can say for now.
How about now? Can people hear me? I changed some
Let me confirm.
settings. Bro, your screen is sharing.
Yeah.
Cool. Can you hear me, bit low volume, but we can hear you, Doc. Oh, a bit low volume, but they can hear me.
No, we don't want
Let's
to
see.
then continue, man.
Yeah, of course. Oh, it says clear now. Okay.
Clear now from both our ends?
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
ready to roll.
All right, let's go post this link again.
Hey Sabak, is it still low volume from Doc's end? Can you confirm on the chat
Yeah, that's
for
good.
both of us, right? Okay, okay, finally.
Yeah, finally, we are progressing. See, it's the key is to keep on doing it unless and until
Yeah,
we succeed.
exactly.
That's it.
I feel like Archimedes, when he discovered Beyonce, he got out of his bathtub and then he ran naked. Eureka, Eureka. That's this moment for us, man. That's this moment for us,
Eureka.
for sure.
Yeah. Can you please share your screen because we are seeing the
Oh, yeah. I'm already
yeah.
sharing, Doc. I'm already sharing. Wait,
Yeah,
let me do
but
that again.
the
Okay, yeah,
one
let
we
me do
can
that again.
see on the YouTube live is the
Okay, give me a moment.
yeah, can you see the YouTube live? It's a different one.
Now, now,
Let me check real
perfect.
quick. All right. In just a moment. I'm gonna yeah, I guess that should be it. That's perfect. Let's see. I'm waiting for it. Yeah, perfect. It's right there on the live. So, all right, finally the setup is complete. The somehow the chat is not working, which was supposed to be shown on the screen, but that's fine. Uh, anyway, so good morning,
Let's
good
start. Yep.
evening, wherever you are, right? Uh, Today, me and Crypto Ace, Crypto and MD, and Crypto Ace are here. We are going to discuss about the Bitcoin ETF and what the consequences will be of the ETF. Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We'll know all sort of
Yep.
things and discuss about
And
it.
how we see the market playing. Yep.
Yeah, and we how we see the market playing. Crypto Ace is my very dear friend, and we have been knowing each other since really long time for now. And yeah, and he before he used to find this all this alpha degen coins, and he used to come, oh, we need to get this, we need to jump on this way years ago. And we made tons back then, and now we on my Discord, you everyone can see his channel. It's like everyone have a access to it, and he posts his research on the coins. He does his fundamental analysis, he does his technical analysis, and he also shows uh, how to how to buy the
Make
coins,
money.
where to buy the coins, and basically how to
Yep.
grow your money. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. So, Crypto Ace, you would like to say something about your the last right channel?
Yeah. So this is the channel where I post some alpha for you all, and that is totally free. I don't charge anything for that. So
Yeah.
whatever I buy, at what time am I buying those coins, or let's say projects or some ideas as well, I'll share it with you all. Other than that, I do some FA fundamental analysis. On top of it, I help you do your trades well, execute them well, when to DCA and
Mm-hmm.
when not to DCA.
Of course.
So yeah, it's been a good time for us since now. So I joined this channel in July, and trust me, what's coming for the next year is going to be crazy for you all, and we are going to make so much gains. And let me tell you this, on the channel you will always see me saying that we'll 10x or 20x our money. That's just us being conservative, but actually there are some tokens which we hold dearly, and those tokens will fly. They will literally fly.
Yeah.
And 50x, yeah, 50x will touch 50x on some, 70x on some, and maybe some tokens won't give us that much returns, but still it's better, right? Even if we get a 7x, let's say for now.
Yeah.
So we are making 7x in just a year. Now if we talk about other different markets which are present, like equity markets, commodity markets, right? You won't ever get a place where you can make this much returns. It's only happening in crypto. So,
Yeah.
like, let's say if you want to invest in a ETF, okay, ETF or mutual funds, it takes usually 10 years to, just double your investment. And here we are, doing it. We are making 3x, 4x. We are currently standing at two, let's say from minimum 2x till 4, 5x as of now. And we have done
Yeah.
that right from July month. So let's
Yeah.
keep our
Exactly.
hopes high. And yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so where me and dog come into play is that you can always find these tokens elsewhere as well, but people lose emotions, people lose their patience. So what we teach is that if you are holding something, if you're investing in something, then you should be very much aware of what you're putting your money in, and let that money work for you. Okay,
Yeah. The
so
thing is to do it with proper risk management because, of course,
yeah,
any form
exactly.
of investment is risky, right? You cannot just put, oh, it's gonna go 100x. I'm gonna put my like whole life savings into it. No, that's a very wrong thing to do. We don't, we don't encourage doing that. We never do that. We always invest and trade with risk management, proper risk management, and every coin that me and crypto ace we put out, everything is properly studied. We do our own fundamental analysis, we do our own ta, but the thing is not everything is gonna go to moon, right? Of course, and that's why we have different, we don't put all our eggs in one thing, one basket. We
Yeah,
just divide it, right? That's how we do it.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
basically, hedging our portfolio is one of the key things we look forward to. And we have some coins where we are hedging our moon bags. So let's just
Yeah,
keep it that for
exactly.
now. Yeah,
Yep.
right.
So for today, we're gonna discuss ETF, the exchange traded fund, which recently got uh, approved by the SEC of US, right? And what do we expect? What's gonna happen now? So crypto MD, what? Sorry, crypto Ace. What is ETF? What is Bitcoin ETF basically?
So basically, as you all know, and as you all will be very much aware, your parents are putting their money in mutual funds or exchange traded funds, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's just a basket where big institutions like Fidelity, Vanguard, BlackRock, they create this kind of funds for, I'll say, like boomer investors, not boomer investors anymore, but yeah, for boomer investors, where the investors are just looking to park their money somewhere and expect like 10% returns a year, and then they'll be happy. Okay, so
Of
but
course.
at the end of the day, what they want is that their money is safe and they are
Yeah.
having a good sound sleep.
Yeah.
So basically, ETFs are nothing but just a basket where investors invest in, but they are all controlled by institutions. So
Mm-hmm.
now, if we talk about gold ETF, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what I'll say is that when gold ETF was approved, gold flew like crazy. Like, think about this: gold is something which has been existing since eternity. Okay,
Yeah. Of
so
course.
it
It's
was
the
not, yeah,
God's
it
money,
was not
right?
moving. Yeah,
Yeah.
God's money, exactly. And it was not mooning before. Like, of course, it will go from $100 to $150 in 10 years, 15 years. But look what gold
Mm-hmm.
did, right? Doc, can you see my screen?
No, your screen is not sharing. I was gonna interrupt you.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me try that.
yeah, please.
Now visible, right?
It might take a little bit while to show it up
Yeah,
to
yeah,
you
yeah. The
guys.
stream, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. I
yeah,
hate this stream, man.
yeah.
This
It
technological stack which we're using. But
it's
yeah, we'll
showing
come up
with
with
me,
something.
but it just give it a second.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, it's there
So yeah,
now.
basically, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, basically, guys, what I was talking was that institutions, they will make you invest their money like our parents did or any layman does. But what happens is that they will also try to manipulate the price. Okay, so like gold could have gone from $400 till $30,000, let's say, for example. But other than that, also it did wonderful. Like, if you check, it went from $400 to $1,957 in the
Mm-hmm.
span of just 6 years. And that is
Nice.
crazy considering gold is one of the safest haven investment. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell is that right now you see the price of gold. Gold should be surging because of the war crisis which are going on right now. people are living in fear somewhat. By people, I mean those investors who know what they are doing, and they know, like, you must have seen, like, the energy markets was performing well, but the stock market was not, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they wanted to park and hedge their money somewhere. So everybody was buying gold last year. Sorry, way back in 2022. So if you see, gold was booming in 2022. It reached
Yeah.
$2,000. It could have actually gone to $5,000. But these markets are controlled by the institutions in such a way that they make money. They make money for us. Let's say 5 or 7% or 10% real yields a year,
Mm-hmm.
right? But we are not seeing that action coming into play. So
Yeah.
what I'm trying to imply over here is that right now, since Bitcoin ETF is approved, and yeah, good news is that in May, Doc, we discussed, right, Ethereum ETF will also get approved.
Yeah.
There's no
Of
chance that it
course.
won't get approved, right, bro? Yeah. So yeah, the main
So
thing
thing
is
is,
for
yeah.
now. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
So with Ethereum ETF, it's gonna be like, so for Bitcoin ETF, they had to do a lot of filings and everything, and it was the first thing, like how we did today. Let me give an example for our live. It took us so long, but next time we gonna do another live, it will be easy because we already have a setup, right? So it's gonna be same thing with the Ethereum
Yes.
ETF. They already have setup. They already know
Yeah.
what to do because everything they did for Bitcoin, it's gonna be same for Ethereum. Hence, it's gonna be approved more easier and quicker, right? And that's why I guess I even posted somewhere that Ethereum will hit $20,000 at least. Yeah.
Yes. Yep. Yep. You did in my channel. Yeah, I would agree. I would agree wholeheartedly with you on this.
Yep.
So So, chat, the thing is that, of course, Bitcoin will moon. I don't like to use this word, but I'll say it again. Bitcoin will moon, and it will reach new heights. Of course, it's coming. Let the time play it out. But the thing is that, okay, let's say 7 years from now, Bitcoin will be trading at $300,000. Let's say, for example. Okay, let's say, for
Mm-hmm.
example. I'm not saying that it will be. Okay, so
Cool.
right now what we want is that our investments go with, like, let's say Bitcoin is going to 100K for now, we are going to 4x, 7x, or 10x our money on most of our investments. Okay,
Yep.
so we are getting that. But
Mm-hmm.
what is happening on the other side is that the SEC, they never wanted to approve this ETF thing. But
Yeah.
try to understand the whole market and how the game is played. BlackRock is such a huge powerhouse in its own thing that
Mm-hmm.
there's no entity in the world who could try and control what they want to do. So
Yeah.
there's too much things which are getting played in the background, which us normal investors, retail investors are not aware about. So what I'm trying to imply is that, of course, let's say Bitcoin will go to 600K in 10 years from now. Let's keep it that, okay? But most
Mm-hmm.
of our investments, they will become vaporware. The coin I love the most, you guys all know, Nexra. Nexra will become
Mm-hmm.
vaporware. Kuji will become vaporware. By vaporware, what I mean is that they might be trading at zero, okay? Try to
Yeah.
understand this thing. Some companies will survive, and why this all this thing would happen? Because they are trying to make it as a compliant industry. So
Mm-hmm.
all these new projects which will be coming next year, first, they have to pass through SEC. Be it a simple IDO project which is just getting launched for now, they will have to pass through SEC. So you might not be able to make those kind of gains. That's why we are, trying to create this need of what? The need of something which is that we want to make the most amount of returns which we ever can. And that's why we are, like, trying to impose on you all that do whatever it takes from your end, try to save up
Yeah.
money, try to invest, listen to Doc, listen to me, or become your own
Yep.
spokesperson, but at least try to get involved with the market, because this is once in a lifetime opportunity. Yes, what I can say is that since Bitcoin ETF is approved, you also know
Mm-hmm.
that if they are not, or if the institutions are not, they will be controlling the bitcoin and all the other ecosystems which are existing within
Mm-hmm.
the crypto space. They will try to control that. So what will happen? They won't let Bitcoin fly as much as we can see it can fly based on our TA and FA. But they won't
Yep.
also let Bitcoin fall that much. Like, yes, of course, right now it can fall 30-40%, okay, which Doc has already mentioned it will, okay. And if he
Yeah.
says so, then it will, okay. First things first. So what I'm trying to imply is that before halving, we always get this kind of major correction. Yes, that will happen.
Mm-hmm.
But once the train leaves, we will also fly with Bitcoin. All our investments will fly, all our trades will fly. But the thing is that they won't let Bitcoin fall too much 2 years or 3 years from now. So whatever the amount of money we make through our investments, we can again invest that back into Bitcoin, because we know that Bitcoin is here to stay. All the institutions have taken control over it, so they will control the price both from the upwards range as well and from the bottom range as well. So they won't let, they'll just keep the Bitcoin ranging when the whole market is crashing, just like how the stocks perform in 2022, right?
Yeah.
So
So
of course we
basically,
want,
yeah.
yeah, go ahead,
Yeah, so
go ahead, man.
basically what we're gonna see now in coming days is gonna be like halving is coming. The ETF narrative pump of Bitcoin has already done, because for all this long time what we were pumping was because of that ETF is gonna be approved. People were like, no, it will pump when the news comes out. It doesn't work like that. We the Bitcoin already pumped because of the ETF news for all this long time, right? We went from like 30k to 50k almost, and halving is coming. It's gonna be another narrative to make people euphoric or make people bullish that it's gonna pump more harder, but it's not gonna happen that way, because if everyone buys, that's a liquidity for institutions, big institutions, right? Because they drive liquidity. They need liquidity to sell or
Yes,
buy, right?
yeah,
Exactly, that's how it
yeah.
happens, right? So before halving we gonna that's what I see. Before halving we will have a drop or a certain retracement. 20 to 30% retracement on Bitcoin is like normal in bull runs. So 30% from here, let's check on our chart. It's gonna be, we made a top of at 48,900. That's like almost 49,000, and 30% drop is around 33,000. So we can see Bitcoin going around, 35 to 30k in coming month or two. But let me mention this to everyone, it's gonna be amazing opportunity for everyone to buy who haven't bought, because after that we're gonna run to 100k for sure, right? Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes, yeah. I agree
Yeah.
with you, man.
Yeah.
And that run till towards 100K will be orgasmic for us all, based on what we'll be making.
Of
So
course, but thing is, if Bitcoin's gonna go to 100k, the gem coins that
money
we put
rotation
out,
will happen.
yeah, the
Yeah,
money will
yeah,
rotate to the lower cap coins, the mid cap coins, right? The basic cycle, and the gem coins or the altcoins that you say, they're gonna pump
yes,
way more higher than Bitcoin. Hence, if you have a small portfolio, it's recommended that you invest like small percentage in Bitcoin and bigger chunk in altcoins, because you can maximize your gains, right?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And Doc, you know what? I have been
Yeah.
personally helping our members as well, who are messaging me personally, and they wanted to
Yeah.
understand how to hedge, right? So I'm
Yeah.
also helping in my channel. Also, I'll start posting more on how to hedge against your
Yeah.
moonbags and some of the safer
Of
side
course.
investments
Mm-hmm.
in terms of the altcoins. Yes, that all is rolling. That all will be coming soon. I will stop using the word coming soon, because we are going to do that
Yeah.
right from this instance, right from,
So
not
yeah,
from today,
exactly.
then tomorrow, next week,
Mm-hmm.
and everywhere. Yeah, go ahead, man.
Yeah, exactly. So with the ETF narrative getting done, we gonna I have posted many times that don't buy right now. We will wait for retracement, at least 30k, or like in 30k, 35 to 30k range, and that's where we're gonna invest again. So like people who missed out on gem coins, people who missed out on Bitcoin with me. I remember I posted that buying Bitcoin right now at 15k, around 15,500 something. A lot of people bought with me, many didn't. So like anyway, don't have a FOMO right now just because Bitcoin is at like 40,000, 45,000, 50,000 range. Don't FOMO in, because you're just gonna
Yes,
get trapped, right? And you can
yeah,
already see what happened when the ETF news was out, right? Because institutions are not gonna buy at these high prices. It's either they have already bought it at the low prices since before, and
yeah.
they're not that dumb to buy at $50,000. Okay, it's either they
Yeah,
bought it
true.
already at the low prices, or they gonna wait for low prices if they haven't bought. But that's not gonna happen. They have already bought it because they already knew that ETF is going to approve, and ETF is gonna come up. There's gonna be a lot of surge of people who wanna buy Bitcoin ETF, right? You can already see that almost, what was the news? I guess almost billions of dollars were already put in. But if billions of dollars was poured in right now, the market would be pumping like anything. But you cannot see
Exactly.
that.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You cannot see
It's
that,
all
right?
happening over the counter. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
agreed, bro.
like,
Yeah.
yeah. So basically, what happens is with the news, people will be like, normal people like you and me will be like, oh shit, the news is out, ETF is approved, let's go buy, buy, buy. And I'm gonna
Yeah.
tell my neighbors, I'm gonna tell my dog, I'm gonna tell my grandma, buy it, and we all gonna buy it. And it's
Yeah.
48, 49,000. We will be like, oh no, we missed the train, we need to buy it right now, and we're gonna buy. And the market's gonna dump, and market dump, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so for a meantime, we're gonna wait. Don't jump in at the moment, right? That's what we expect Bitcoin to play out. But in a longer time frame, it's gonna be mooning like anything, because after the gold ETF was approved, the gold pumped for 10 years straight, right?
Yeah. As you can
So
see here.
so do you, Crypto Ace, do you see Bitcoin pumping for 10 years straight, and can we see $1 million Bitcoin?
I'm not sure about that because crypto world moves very fast. Like what happens in the stock market within 5 years time
Uh-huh.
frame, that could happen in the crypto market in 1 year or 2 years of time frame, right?
Yeah,
But
that's
yeah,
true.
we'll see. This is something which we can't tell with confirmation because the reason being is that institutions have now joined us. So
Mm-hmm.
how they will control the market will also, we are learning new things every day right now. So
Yeah.
how they will control the market, we are not sure yet. We'll see how that plays out. But yeah, anything is possible, right? So at least I can think of 300 or 400k Bitcoin soon. Not by soon, I mean 5 years or 7 years down the line.
Mm-hmm. Of course.
So yeah,
So, of course,
so
I also want to share this with, as people are here, I want to share this with all of you, that people mostly come to invest, they'll be like, oh, how much money can I make in a year? How much money can I make in 2 years? It's a long, if you are investing anything, you should at least have a 5 year or a 10 year goal, because it's not gonna be short term gains. You won't make I
yeah,
mean, the gains that you'll make on a longer time frame, it's gonna be way
yeah,
bigger than you make in short term. Yeah, of course you can, like we did, right? Crypto is that we bought Bitcoin at
yeah,
15K, sold it at 30K, bought it again at 20,000 again, and now we are at
yes,
50,000. So we can maximize that way, but we need to stay in market, right? You cannot have
yep,
a
yep,
goal of 1 year or 2 year, and I'm gonna be buying a Ferrari or a Lambo. That's not how it works. It takes time.
yeah,
You gotta give
exactly.
it time, right? Mm-hmm.
Play the long term game and the slow game, and the amount of rewarding experience which it will give you will be immense.
Yeah.
So try to do that. And on top of it, one thing I would like to add is that after 1 or 2 years down the line, what we can do is that whatever money we made from our dogs gem coins or my coins, what we'll do is
Mm-hmm.
that we'll put that again into Bitcoin or Ethereum because Ethereum's ETF is also going to get approved, and then
Yeah.
we'll let that ride, right? So
Yeah.
we can
Exactly.
2x or 3x our money, which the stock market or the stock market, I mean the ETF market won't give you.
Yeah.
So this is the only asset class which can make that happen for you all.
Yeah, exactly
So
the same thing I did with my Gemcoin members. If you have noted that there's one coin which pumped already like 3x or 4x, but other Gemcoin haven't pumped much. So we took that profit out and we put it that other coin which is gonna pump. So like that's how we maximized
yeah,
it, right? So it's exactly same thing that we will be doing with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF coming soon, right? But
yeah,
guys, don't FOMO and wait. You're gonna have your time to buy in. Cool,
yep.
right?
And guys, come on, we have like 14 viewers. Can we get 14 likes? Right now I see there's 4. Come on, guys, show us some
Yeah.
love. And keep
Let's
the keep the comment section popping. I want to see you all guys. Like comment something, ask us questions.
Yeah, of course. Come on,
Yeah.
guys. We don't even need to do this. We are doing for everyone. We're doing so people can have the knowledge and they don't have misinformation, because I see a lot of people posting out, oh, 50x coins, 100x coins, and they'll be, just pumping their own bags. That's it. We don't do that in here.
Yes, we
That's
don't
not
do
how
that.
we
Yeah,
work.
you can. And yeah, I can assure you also that, Doc, if you have observed also, like all the investments which I shared, nobody was talking about it at that time, right? I was not trying to
Yeah,
pump my
I
bags.
know, I
If
know.
you observe now, everybody is getting on that train. Like for Nexra, for Kuji, let's
Yeah.
say for ARB. Okay, ARB is something which is very common, but that's just our hedging. Okay, so if I talk about like even Trias pump crazy recently. We have
Yeah,
Chang.
that's
I'm
right.
just waiting for change to pump basically. Injective,
Mm-hmm.
it did wonderful for us. So, and
Yeah.
that is Injective is a coin which is a mid cap coin, and right now it has been converted to a large cap coin, right? And it's
So
going to be a
exactly,
behemoth.
the thing with Crypto Ace is he does proper studies, proper analysis of the coin, and then only he puts out. It's the same because we put our own money into it, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
we make it buy with us. We make you buy with the price that we buy. It's not
yeah,
like, oh, I bought it, now I'm gonna, no. And
yeah.
and I don't wanna like be mean or be offensive, but our investment, or we don't even have that big following that we can move markets, right? But hopefully soon.
So, since that's not our intention, but still, that
Yeah,
could happen. So we have to be very, we have to do our due diligence basically. So we have
yeah,
to be,
of course.
concerned with what we can do in the future. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's the thing as well. And if you look at some of my recent investments, doc, so Lit
Mm-hmm.
Labs not performing, Vision Games not performing, AGRS suffering like bleeding like anything. Their
Yeah,
time will
so
come, but yeah. So
we
this also
cannot just
happens.
go up in a straight line. It doesn't work like that. Because, oh,
Yep.
because I have experience with the trades which I post, people will be like, oh, shall we still hold it? Shall we exit it? What's going on? What's gonna happen? I'm like, you need to have patience. It's just not gonna move up in a straight line or move down in a straight line. It's gonna be, it goes
Yeah.
up and down, right?
True.
So Sudip is asking about, please talk about exchange ban happening in India.
Yeah.
So would you like to say something
Now
about it?
coming from my perspective, I know it's hard, and even I was in the same place way back in 2020. Okay, so I understand you guys' frustrations and how you are going to deal with it, but give it time. You know what they are trying to do. They know, like what I've researched recently is that almost 55% of unemployed people's income is coming from crypto. So they want people to go out and have a real legit jobs, but that's not happening. So that's why they are trying to control the market in this manner. What I can say is that, because of course for legality issues I cannot speak more on this, but if you message me, I have my own ways, I can help you guys with that. But get a VPN, guys. Get a VPN. VPN is something which can help you immensely. And then
Of
you also
course.
have to learn how you can do over the counter trading, right? So just get the money sorted to your exchanges first. Once that happens, use a VPN. And then, afterwards, what you have to do is that you have to also legally oblige with all the government guidelines are. And then you also have to pay your taxes. Please pay taxes. I cannot, I speak it from the bottom of my heart. Please pay taxes. Don't run away from
Yeah,
taxes. But you
of
can you
course.
can use this way. Use a VPN. Do OTC. Get your money in first in your exchanges. Those exchanges are banned. I understand. Use a VPN. VPN is legal. And VPN's use is something, where people use it because their government or their country is not allowing to do them something. Like it could be anything, streaming something or making trades happen, anything.
Of
What I'll
course.
say is that just get a VPN. I know you guys will have to pay some $100 a year or something, but who cares about $100 when you'll be making $1,000 in 3 or 4 months time frame, right? So just get a
Yeah.
VPN. All I can say is that, and more I cannot talk about. Sorry for that, but you can message me anytime on our Discord channel. Whenever I get some free time, I'll reach out to you guys and I'll try to help
That's
you
great.
as much as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So the thing is, I guess India is not gonna stay behind with banning crypto or banning exchanges, because it's just gonna bring
Yeah.
Indian economy and everything back. Not at a
Yeah,
considerable rate,
exactly.
but
Look at Matic,
temporary.
man. The Matic,
Yeah,
yeah, Matic is a company which is, originating from India, and it is
yeah,
doing wonderful in the
exactly.
crypto world. I know the market is not showing that in terms of price action, but if
Yeah.
you look at it, there are many projects which are coming from all over the world and which are, establishing themselves on the Matic ecosystem.
Yeah,
So what Indian? Go ahead. Sorry, man. Sorry.
yeah, so
Go
this is
ahead.
gonna be, I feel that it's just gonna be temporary. Yeah, I'm sorry, you can, yeah, continue. I'm
Okay,
sorry, I cut
okay.
you there.
So
Yeah.
yeah, there's somebody who wants views on INJ. Oh, it's more time, Vegeta guy. Oh, I know him. Okay, so he wants views on INJ. Okay, so from FA point of view, I can tell you that their mainnet is going to go active soon, and on top of it, many projects are now starting to get established on INJ ecosystem, and INJ will perform just like Solana did in the previous bull run. So I see INJ easily touching $180 soon. Soon, by soon I mean in a year's time frame. So ING will be at $180. But now, yeah, listen to this. I was telling you all to invest in INJ where it was around $6 to $8, or even at $10 or $12. I know somebody bought, right? That was the main tipping point of you guys buying INJ. Right now, I don't want you guys to invest in INJ. What you can do is that whatever gains you make from a 10x in Kriya's Nextra, Change Exchange, or any other which I have like Naka. Okay, so if you are making 7x, then take some profits out, maybe your initials, and invest that into INJ, and write that 3 or 4x which INJ will be giving you in this bull run. So this is the kind of approach which I use right now. I won't say, like, if you want to hedge against your moonbacks, then go ahead. By very means, I'll say that go ahead and invest in INJ. But for now, I wouldn't suggest personally, because I know very good amount of gains can be made from other different projects which we hold, and there are many projects which I'm bringing you more also. Like, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
one project I'm giving you right now is SEI. Okay, so SEI you can buy right now. You can research. I'll be posting a huge post on my channel. Research more on that, and then if you want 10 access, I can give you like more than 15 or 20 projects which can guarantee and assure you of a 10x returns. Okay, so we have that. We'll be talking about the
So stay tuned,
a lot more
guys.
projects coming soon. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So stay tuned, guys, in our Discord. We have a lot of things going on. We have a lot of
yeah,
developments coming in, right? Not just we are not just focused with financially or crypto or investment only, but our focus is overall growth of
yeah.
ourselves in terms of health, in terms of mental health, in terms of physique. So we just started the. And did you got your abs
Yeah, man,
yet?
that's crazy,
Right?
huh? I was sleeping, and as soon as I woke up, I saw, oh, we have a new channel. Everybody's posting about their gym goals or their personal
Yeah.
fitness goals. Oh, that is amazing.
Because what are we gonna do if you don't have proper health? If you are not healthy, the money is not gonna mean
Yeah,
anything, right? Even if you have
exactly.
millions, it is nothing if you don't have health to spend it or enjoy the wealth that you have. So hence we promote the health, being healthy, and hence our channel. Have you got your abs yet? Everyone, into it, very very pumped up, very
Yeah.
energetic, posting their gym photos, their personal records. It's amazing. So, and second channel that we recently started was to help people, to someone in need or anything, to just give it back to the community, right? So, I mean, that's how you do it. You make everyone help, you make everyone grow around you. That's the basic concept of our channel, Crypto MD, and that's what we focus on. Right? So that's our
Yep.
discussion for today. If you want to add anything, Crypto Ace, for our ending remarks, you know.
Nothing. I'll just say is what I would like to say is that just make sure that you also love this game enough. You, of course, you guys can rely on us. You can always ask us questions. But if you want to, maximize your gains, then get involved in this game. Like, you should be loving crypto. It's not just about making money, but
Yeah,
understanding the whole technology and
exactly.
from where it comes. Understand the blockchain, the nodes, how it works, why it was created in
Mm-hmm.
the first place. So if you do that, then you can also talk about projects, like you can understand the technology, like nanotechnology. What is a nanotechnology? What is parallelism, which is happening right now? Right, there are many projects which are coming up, and they have pumped hugely, immensely right now in the last few weeks. Just in the last 3 or 4 weeks, I can say that 10x returns. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so once you understand the technology, you will understand, okay, there's a need, but this ecosystem or this technology is not existing yet. Okay, let me research, is there any project which is building on the new technology? Like, when the parallelism was not a thing, Solana is not using it, Solana is centralized. But when parallelism was a new thing, if there was some guy who understand the technology well enough and he was researching something about parallelism, this word is so much slurry, parallelism. Okay, I got it.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys develop a certain edge, then you can make crazy gains as well. And for trading and for investing, you have Doc. I just do investing, so I'm speaking from investing's point of view. And for trading, like, you can always rely on Doc. He's doing great. Wow, from what I've seen his personal growth right from 2020, even before that, but from 2020, like, he became the moon. So he was mooning. So, and that hasn't stopped yet. And we have huge goals. Like, let's say there's a possibility that even you guys have some huge goals in life, and you guys start discussing your goals with us, and maybe we can make a business happen. Maybe we can,
Yeah,
do
we
something in
can
the real world
find
as well.
something out. We can do some, yeah, figure something
Yep.
out, right?
Yep.
Exactly.
Understand, at the end of the day, we are not just those guys in the crypto community where we are taking your money and make you give buy
No,
signals or buy this coin. We are not that. What we want is that we want to create a community of like-minded individuals, and that
so
could
we
take us
all
to
can
places,
grow
man.
together. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
All right
And
then.
have a banter, have a banter.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait, just a sec. Is
All right,
there,
cool.
man, come on, guys. Crypto is join GMSF. Sorry, man, I don't have time till April or May. I have some obligations with my crypto goals, and then I'll be joining the gym. Don't worry. I went out for a walk around yesterday. It was -8, and the feels like temperature was -16. In a snowstorm, I went out for a walk for at least 1.5 hour or something. But yeah, I cannot do that. But right now, my obligations are just crypto, and I also have a daytime job, right, guys? So after, if you want to know my real schedule, you'll be like, okay, this guy is doing so much. Like, after 5, once my job ends, from 5:30 till morning 4:30 or 5 or 5:30, I'm like in the crypto world. And then I go to sleep. I just sleep for 3-4 hours or 5 hours. I know that's not healthy, so Sundays are for sleeping for me. I usually sleep on Sundays. I'm not even active too much on Sundays. You guys can check based on my post. But right now we are making this happen, and that's why I'm awake right now. Or else I would be waking up
Mm-hmm.
around 2 or 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
crypto
just
game
join. And
is
Doc,
real hard for all of
yeah,
us. Yeah.
yeah, and Doc also, on the other hand, he's a doctor, right? So Doc, can I tell what special what thing you specialize in and what are you doing?
Not yet. We'll,
Not yet. Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay.
we'll have his
So yeah,
time.
but he's a doctor, right? So he has to take care of his patients, and
Yeah,
still he
thing
always
is,
finds time for you guys.
yeah, we just make our
Yeah.
time. We just look for time and we make things done.
Yeah,
It doesn't
because
matter.
yes, this all happens because we have a love for this game, right?
Yeah,
So that's
exactly.
what I'm trying to imply. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man, I'm done from my end.
All right, then it was a great discussion with Crypto Ace. It's not gonna be our last. It's our first podcast, and we gonna come up, with a lot of podcasts coming days, coming weeks, right? And we'll have a lot of discussions so we can guide everyone properly. No one is scammed, or no one gets caught up in a just sell off
Yes.
liquidity or rug pulls, because we went through a
Yeah.
lot. We have had all
Yeah.
of those. We have had rug pulls, we have scammed, we have got
Yeah.
everything that you could think of, right? So
Yeah.
that's
Exactly.
our main goal, to help others to grow Yeah, so that's what we're
Yep.
gonna do. Cool. All right. All right, then we'll take a leave, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us and giving your time. Have a great
Thank you. Thank you
weekend.
all.
Yeah, thank you, Crypto Ace. All right.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Bye.